In last class, we learned the tenses, all tenses, like present tense, past tense, and future tense. All tenses we learned. Also, we had written the formulas of the sentences in our notebook. Right? We have the formulas of all tenses, like present tense, simple present, present continue, present perfect continue. All the tenses, we have the formulas. So in the class, we'll see the formulas of tenses. What the formulas are there related to the tense? What is the formula? One by one, we'll tell the formula and I'll write here. At very first, we'll see the formula of present tense. Here I write the present tense. Present tense. You please write down this title, present tense. Now, you please write down the title of this tense. Here is the simple present tense. Okay. Simple present. Simple present. This is the simple present. And this is simple present tense. Formula of simple present is?
Yes.
What is, Sumit? Praveen?
S plus V1.
S plus
V1 plus O.
V1 plus
O.
O. And the example is? Who will tell the example? Sumit?
I am speaking English.
I speak English. Okay? This is the formula and this is the example of simple present tense. Now let's see present continue. Present continue tense. And the formula is, Sakshi?
S plus.
S plus
And Z plus.
am, is,
I.
are plus
VING plus.
VING plus
O.
O. This is the formula. Correct, Sarthak?
Yes.
S plus am is R plus VING plus O. And the example is
Sir.
I am
Library.
speaking English. I am speaking English. Then present perfect. Present perfect tense. The formula is, Sumit?
Yes plus have plus.
Yes plus
Have plus.
have has plus
V3 plus O.
V3 plus O. And the example is I have spoken English. I have spoken English. Present perfect continue tense. Present perfect continue tense. Present perfect continue tense. Prithviraj? Subject plus
Have
has plus been
VING plus O.
plus VING plus O. Example is I have been speaking English. Correct, Sarthak?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Then, so this is the present tense. This is the present tense. Now let's see the past tense. Past tense. Past tense. Simple past. Simple past. Prerna, can you tell the formula of simple past?
Yes plus
Yes plus
V2 plus
V2 plus
O.
O. Okay. We'll write here the same sentence example which is into the simple past. So, I
Speaking.
spoke English. Okay. Then past continue. Past continue tense. The formula is Sarthak?
Yes plus
Yes plus
was were plus
was were
plus VING
plus VING
plus O.
plus O. And the example is I was speaking
English.
English. Okay. Then next is past perfect. Past perfect. And the formula is Hanuman.
Yes plus had plus V3 plus
Yes plus
had plus
had plus
V3 plus
V3 plus
O.
O. Example is
Yes.
I had spoken
English.
English. Then past perfect continue tense. Past perfect continue tense. Samir, example is formula is
Had plus
subject plus had plus
B plus
been plus
VING plus O.
VING plus O. And the example is I had been speaking English. I have been speaking English. Then here is the past tense that we have learned now. Now here is the future tense. Here is the future tense. And the future tense, the first subtense is simple future. Simple future. Formula is Sumi.
Yes plus V.
Yes plus
V plus
will plus
V1 plus
V1 plus
O.
Example is I will speak English. Then future continue. Future continue tense. Prithviraj?
S plus
Yes plus
V plus
will plus
B plus
D plus
VIG plus O.
VING plus O. Example is I will be speaking
English.
English. Okay. Then future perfect. Future perfect formula. Praveen.
Yes plus
Yes plus
will plus
will plus
have plus
have plus
V3 plus O.
V3 plus O. Sakshi example. I will have spoken English. Then the last one is here. Future perfect continue tense. And the formula is, who will tell? Sumit?
Yes plus
Subject plus
V plus
will plus
have plus
have plus
Bin plus VING plus O.
bin plus
VING plus O.
VING plus O. Example is I will
Have been
have been
speaking
speaking
English.
English. Okay, so these are the formulas of the tenses. Simple present, present continuous, present perfect, perfect continuous. And the same formulas are in the past tense and future tense. Their subtenses are there. Formulas are there. So, you please write all of these formulas in your notebook with their examples. Learn, try to memorize the formulas. Keep these formulas in your mind so you can speak English as well as you can write the correct sentences of tenses. Okay? Today we learn these formulas of different tenses. Okay? We'll stop. If you have any problem, any doubt, any difficulty about this, related to this, then you can ask me. Otherwise, we'll declare the class is over. Okay, the class is over.